Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic expression or equation that has a weird exponent in it. Right, so let's look at it. Solve for x without using a calculator. Now, very specifically, when they say without using a calculator, it means that you need to show all of your working out. You're more than welcome to check your answer using your calculator. There just needs to be sufficient evidence that you haven't used the calculator. Right, okay, let's look at this one. So the very first thing I would try and do, the 8 is going to be a little bit tricky to work with, so I would convert that 8 into a product of prime factors. What do I mean by that? So I'm going to write that 8 as sum 2, so 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, so that's going to be 2 cubed. Right. Now, what do I need to do to the left-hand side to get rid of this negative 3 over 4? Well, I need to raise it to the power of 4 over 3. Okay, is that going to help us out? Not really, because we still need to bring in the negative. So the negative and the negative will then be the positive, and we'll be left with an x on the left-hand side. But because I've done it to the one side, I need to do it to the other side as well. And that is going to give us minus 4 over 3. Right, once we've done that, remember, when we raise a power by an exponent, we need to multiply the exponent on the inside of the bracket by the exponent outside the bracket, and that is going to give us 2. The 3's cancel out because we've got 3 over 1, so those 3's cancel out, and we are left with minus 4. Right, that would be then 1 over 2 to the positive 4, so we just swap it around to make that exponent positive. And finally, 2 to the 4 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So that's 1 over 16. And that gives us our final answer in this particular question. Do you see how much easier our life was made by converting the 8 into a 2 to the 3? Because when we did that, those 3's could cancel out quite simply. And that was the trick here, to not have to use a calculator. Right, thank you so much to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.